efficient and time-saving screening method for COVID-19 detection. The existing method, that is the RT-PCR, has the following downsides: time-consuming, laborious and complicated manual process, expensive, every time patient needs to visit doctor.
The use of chest X ray has several advantages over the conventional diagnostic tests. The X ray imaging is much more widespread and cost effective. The transfer of digital X ray images does not require any transportation from one point to other point, and thus making the diagnostic process to be quick. And unlike CT scan, portable X ray machines enable testing within an isolation ward itself. So, detecting possible COVID-19 infection on chest X ray may help quarantine high risk patients while test results are awaited.
This may be useful in an inpatient setting where the present systems are struggling to decide whether to keep the patient in the ward along with the other patients or to isolate them separately.
It would also help in identifying patients with high likelihood of COVID with a false negative result who would need repeated testing.
The final product is a web application which can be implemented in an organization for secure prediction.
Speaking of work progress, we are done with dataset collection, pre-processing, preparation, and model training. We have designed a simple user interface. Currently, we are working on hyperparameter optimization for fine-tuning of the model. So still we are left with a little enhancement of the model and front end needs to be designed.
The final outcome of our project is a web application. The threat is the virus, not the people. Thank you.